morning, students. Today we will learn unit number 17, our nation. First, introduction. All of us have a name by which people know us. We have a family name. We go to a school which has a name like St. Xavier School. We live in a town or a city which has a name like Botat, Paliat, Gadura, Ranpur. We live in a city that has a name, our school has a name, we have a name, and also our family has a name. All these names give us an identity. All of us belong to a nation called India. We all belong to a nation and that is called India. The people of the big, huge world known us as Indians. The people in the outside area of India known us as Indians. Our country is very big. It is also known by the names like Bharat and Hindustan. Delhi is the capital of our country. Now let's see about our country. This is the national emblem. This is our national flag. Our national flower is lotus. National bird is peacock. National animal is tiger. National emblem, national flag. National emblem has 4 lions picture. National flag has 3 colors in it, saffron, white and green. And in between there is one blue chakra called Ashok Chakra. And in that Ashok Chakra there are 24 arrows. Our national flower is lotus. Our national animal is tiger and our national bird is peacock. 15th August and 26th January are our national days. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. We should always stand up when the national anthem is sung as a mark of respect. We should also respect our national flag. Vande Mataram is our national song. Our country is a home to people following different religions, speaking different languages, celebrating different festivals, but we are all one. We are Indians. We are all one and we all are known as Indians. Hindu, Muslim and Christians are the people of different religions living in India. Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati, Oriya, Assamese are some of the languages that Indians speak. There are 18 main languages spoken in India. In India, there are main 18 languages spoken. The old important places and buildings are called monuments. The Taj Mahal of Agra, the Qutub Minar of Delhi, the Victoria Memorial of Kolkata, the Charminar of Hyderabad, the Ajanta Ellora caves of Aurangabad are all the examples of the monuments. And there are many forts at the different places are some of the monuments of our country. So this was our lesson unit number 17, our nation India. Now let's move towards the hard words. First, Nation, nation. Identify, identify. India, India. DELHI, Delhi. ANTHEM, anthem. LANGUAGE, language. HINDUS, Hindus. MUSLIMS, Muslims. CHRISTIANS, Christians. TELUGU, Telugu. KANNADA, Kannada. TAMIL, Tamil. MALAYALAM, Malayalam. MARATHI, Marathi. BENGALI, Bengali. ORIYA, Oriya. ASSAMESE, Assamese. MONUMENTS, monuments. VICTORIA, Victoria. MEMORIAL, memorial. Victoria Memorial. CHARMINAR, Charminar. HYDERABAD, Hyderabad. Last but not least, AURANGABAD, Aurangabad. Now, answer the following question. Number 1. Write down the 3 names of our country. We have to write the 3 names of our country. Answer is, the 3 names of our country are India, Hindustan and Bharat. Second, which are our national days? And the answer is 15th August and 26th January are our national days. Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. How many main languages are spoken in India? Answer is, there are 18 main languages spoken in India. Name any 3 monuments of our country. Here you can write any 3 monuments of our country. Answer may be varying. Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Charminar. Fill this question answer in your textbook. Write down hard words only once in your notebook. See you in the next video with more exercise. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.